In Canada, there are several tax deductions that individuals can claim to reduce their taxable income. Here are some common deductions. 1. RRSP contributions. Contributions made to a registered retirement savings plan (RRSP) are tax deductible. Individuals can claim their RRSP contributions on their tax return, which reduces their taxable income. 2. Medical expenses. Eligible medical expenses that exceed a certain threshold can be claimed as a deduction. This includes expenses such as prescription medications, dental services, and certain medical devices. 3. Charitable donations. Donations made to registered charities can be claimed as a deduction. The exact amount that can be claimed depends on the type of donation and the total income. 4. Home office expenses. Individuals who work from home can claim some of their home office expenses, such as a portion of their rent or utilities, as a deduction. However, certain criteria must be met to qualify for this deduction. 5. Employment expenses. Some employment-related expenses, such as vehicle expenses, professional memberships, and certain tools, can be claimed as deductions. However, these expenses are subject to certain rules and limitations. 6. Childcare expenses. Parents can claim a deduction for eligible childcare expenses incurred for children under the age of 16. This includes daycare fees, after-school programs, or in-home care. 7. Student loan interest. If you have paid interest on your student loans, you may be eligible to claim a deduction for the interest paid. The interest must have been on loans received under a government student loan program or from a recognized educational institution. 8. Moving expenses. If you moved for employment or educational purposes, you may be able to claim certain moving expenses as a deduction. This includes transportation, storage costs, and other eligible expenses. 9. Public transit passes. The cost of monthly or annual public transit passes can be claimed as a tax deduction. This includes passes for buses, trains, subways, ferries, and commuter vans. 10. Home buyer's amount. If you are a first-time homebuyer, you may be able to claim the home buyer's amount. This non-refundable tax credit helps offset some of the costs associated with purchasing a home. 11. Disability-related expenses. Individuals with disabilities or those supporting a person with a disability may be eligible to claim deductions for certain disability-related expenses. This includes expenses for attendant care, medical devices, and specialized treatments. 12. Interest on student loans. Individuals can claim a tax credit for the interest paid on qualifying student loans. This credit can help reduce the amount of tax payable. 13. Union or professional dues. If you're a member of a union or professional organization, the dues paid for membership may be tax deductible. However, not all dues are eligible, so it's important to check with the CRA or a tax professional. 14. Private health insurance premiums. When calculating medical expenses, individuals can include the premiums paid for private health insurance if it covers services not covered by provincial health care plans. 15. Employment insurance premiums. The premiums paid for employment insurance A can be claimed as a deduction on your tax return. 16. Business investment loss. If you incurred a loss on a qualified small business investment, you may be able to claim it as a deduction against capital gains earned in the same year or in previous years. 17. Moving expenses for students. If you move to attend a post-secondary institution full-time and your new home is at least 40 kilometers closer to the institution, you may be eligible to claim moving expenses. 18. Donations of cultural property. Individuals who donate cultural property of national significance to designated institutions may be eligible for a tax deduction equal to the fair market value of the property donated. Airzol is a leading provider of comprehensive tax solutions. With our team of experienced professionals and cutting-edge technology, we offer efficient and accurate tax services to individuals and businesses alike. From tax planning and preparation to IRS issue resolution, we handle all aspects of taxes with precision and expertise. Our commitment to delivering personalized solutions tailored to each client's unique needs sets us apart. Contact us today at +1 647 232 7909 and discover how Airzol can streamline your tax process and help you achieve your financial goals.